with business processes and teams becoming increasingly dispersed. Complex process manufacturing businesses require an enterprise-level tool that simplifies things for them and offers real-time connectivity. Welcome to BatchMaster Web, a state-of-the-art solution that's backed by the industry knowledge of over 3 decades and built for the on-the-go scenarios. Featuring a new yet familiar and intuitive user interface and reinforced with a new user experience, this plug-and-play ERP can be up and running in virtually no time without needing any extra application. All you need is the URL, a web browser, internet-enabled device, and login credentials to remotely access your business from anywhere, anytime, in a secure, economic, and time-saving manner. But that's just the beginning. BatchMaster Web delivers a set of dedicated business functionalities such as MPS and MRP, R&D and formulation, purchase, sales, finance, inventory management, costing, production, quality control, and compliance for the process manufacturing industries, and can be easily tailored to the processes specific to your industry vertical and micro-vertical. It comes loaded with both the desktop application and the WMS within the same software suite, and a single click is all you need to switch between the two. Putting the right information in the right hands is easy and fun with it, as you can design the dashboard the way you want and analyze and visualize data using a variety of charts and graphs. BatchMaster Web also facilitates extracting value from your vast data and flow and access of real-time information, accurate and timely insights, as well as in-context analytics across departments. While the software offers an assortment of benefits to the process manufacturers, what really stand out are its agility, responsiveness, and relative ease of adaptability to changing business sizes and requirements that prepare you to respond to the dynamic needs of the customers quickly and make more informed, accurate, and data-driven business decisions. So, check the inventory and availability in real time, create sales or purchase orders on the spot, revise the quotes on the go, and do a lot more. With the all-in-one solution BatchMaster Web, a solution of tomorrow available to you today.